lips are so dry, like so dry. Even my hands are so ashy. Just applying the Essence Extreme Shine lip gloss. So I'm whispering. I hope you guys can hear me. Anyway, my kids are taking a nap, guys. Ad break. This is an ad break. The time right now is 7 minutes after 4. Quick ad break. I haven't finished cleaning. I'm left with just like one section of my kitchen, and then I just finished doing the kids' bedroom and my bedroom. I ended up just like combining that, and then we're gonna get into my laundry. The first load is done, so I'm gonna put that in the dryer, and then I will put in that one load that I was telling you about, because I ended up doing bed linen. So basically I ended up just like adding a bit more tasks when I didn't need to. And then my kitchen, like, I'm just left to my kitchen. My kitchen is so easy, and I find that when I'm vlogging and I'm talking to you guys, like, my kitchen is by far the easiest place to clean and the quickest. So I'm so glad that they're taking a nap, because listen, we almost cancelled the day. Forget about cancelling the vlog, the entire day, because I have a toddler and I have like I don't know what you call her, like she's not in middle school just yet. She's just like, there's a term for her. No, she's not preschool age. She's, I don't know if you guys remember, like, just put in the comments, but her stage is like between preschool and middle school, and she and her sister are like they were just like bickering and like just having issues. So this is where I come in. Like, I need to stop and like help them find ways to resolve their issues, because half the time you'll discover that when you have like kids that are like in the same age, I have siblings too. Kids around the same age, they tend to fight about the same things every day. So literally they might resolve it today, but they will pick it up tomorrow and they will argue about it, and then they'll try and resolve it. Like, it's a whole thing. And like, yeah, it just goes on and on and on and on. So I'm not tired. I'm just grateful that they're taking a nap, because typically they don't nap in the afternoon. My kids stopped napping like at the age of 6, my first daughter. So my youngest just like adopted that as well. So yeah, let's finish up. Guys, I'm having a Coke. I think I might have shown you guys. I'm having a cola. It's so good. But I'm still thinking about the spicy Coca-Cola, so we need to get that and try it. Just want to try it and see like how is it. And then yeah, dinner tonight, I did prepare like a beef stew yesterday, so that's already set. I'll probably just make some salsa to go along with that, and then a little bit of vegetable as well, because the stew I added broccoli in it, so I might want like a green fresh vegetable for today. So that's what we'll do. And also I realized that it's getting warmer and warmer, so the kids don't necessarily need like their winter boots per se, or their fall boots, because I have like fall boots and I have like snow boots. So I was actually thinking that this week I might need to go to Walmart with them, or another shoe store that has affordable shoes for kids, and buy them gym shoes. So basically those are your trainers, your sneakers, so that they can wear those at home or when they're going to see their friends and stuff like that. So I think that would be really helpful. Okay, I'm gonna go because they're starting to wake up. But yeah, day is not cancelled, so the vlog continues. need to do better with my fridge because the fridge sees me once in a while when it comes to like cleaning. But here we go. I just did like a little bit of an arrangement. That's just my my planners and stuff on the top of my fridge. So welcome to this fridge, massive. So anyway, not much detail. Let me take you guys down a bit. Okay, so I just decided to put like bread, all the types of bread and buns in the middle, and all the types of bread and buns in the middle, and then I put all lunch boxes like down here, and some juices. There's some juices right here on this corner, and then on top I have like spreads, butter, cream cheese, just like some green curry sauces, and Caribbean curry. I also have like some pickles at the back and pickles in the front, pepperoni, cheese, a little bit of fruit basically, and then down here, like I said, I have some leftovers and casseroles. And then at the bottom, that's where I have like apples, lettuce, carrots, lemons, pepper, and more pepperoni in there. And then on this side of the fridge, all of my sauces, I usually have them like here at the bottom, and then I do add like a bit of juice so that the kids can access juice. And then at the top, I basically have some sauce as well, and then some juice right here. This is an energy drink. This is a kid's orange juice. And then here I have some cheese. So yeah, you'll hear my fridge complaining. So if you're not familiar with that sound, it's just asking me to close my door because it's been open for too long. Okay, so the sound is gone. I just close the door and then I open it. So up here I have like my lemon squeeze. I have 2, and then I have some lime juice. And at the back I have some ginger. So this is just like crushed ginger, garlic. And then I have another, this is ginger, garlic, and chili. And then here I have like some garlic, and then I keep my measuring cups in here as well, just for easy access, so that I don't have to like stress and worry and look for them if I ever need like a measuring cup for the kids. So yeah, that's it for my fridge organization. What I used to clean is my all-purpose cleaner, which is almost out. Honestly, this one's from Clorox. I thought I had another one, a yellow brand all-purpose cleaner, but clearly I don't, so I'll have to buy that when I go to Walmart and get like the shoes for the kids that we're talking about. And then I always have paper towel in the home, guys, no matter what. Yeah, it's good to have like a cloth for everything, but paper towel will save you so much stress and so much time and so much bacteria and germs and stuff like that, because you just toss it away in the bin. So the last thing that I do after everything is take the trash out. So obviously that's me going outside, so I don't really like put that on camera. Yeah, I'm gonna make some tacos. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you guys like the cooking process because I'm trying to save time. It's quickly getting late and I also need a break. Mommies need a break. So this is supposed to be like a sauce, and then here we have cheese. This is the ground beef. They call it ground beef here. In my country they call it mince. And then we have the sauce. So basically the instructions say that I need to microwave everything and then get my taco shells. Let me get my taco shells and show you the taco shells and show you what the box says. So these are taco shells that I'm gonna be using. So basically I'm supposed to mix those 3, like the cheese, the ground beef, and the sauce, just put in the microwave and then fill up my taco shells. And I'm just like I don't know, I don't trust that, so I'm gonna put it in a pan. I've already got my pan is ready. I'm just gonna heat up the food in a pan. That's what I prefer, but basically that's the meal right there. If you guys watch my grocery haul, you will have seen it. So yeah, we love easy cook meals. You can make 14 portions, see, ready in 5 minutes. But it's okay, I have time. It's almost like 7 p.m. at night. I just took a much needed shower. Like, you guys, you know when you bath or take a shower because you have to, and then there are those situations where you take a shower because you really need to. I felt like I really needed this one, and I feel so good. So yeah, I just wanted to come in here and close the vlog. Tomorrow's Sunday. I think that's actually the day when I will do the kids' hair. So the wash and the unbraiding, I'll do it tonight. I do have some time. Dinner's ready. Told you guys I was gonna make salsa, so I will put that on the stove. So sometimes I do use my hands to apply the hair gel. Sometimes I use my this little brush, but I find that I like the outlook when I use my hands on the gel. So I'm just gonna wear a headband. I got this headband from the dollar store. They always have like these really cute headbands, and the best part is that they are not expensive, and they're very comfortable. So next time when I go, I'm definitely like getting more. So I just decided to wear this cute spaghetti top, and then I have my, you guys know, my fluffy I don't know what to call it. It's like just like a fluffy coat, fluffy jersey, and I'm wearing like tights, really cozy tights at the bottom. So lady speed stick, invisible. At night I try to limit my fragrance, so I usually stick to body mist. If I'm wearing perfume, just a little bit around my neck area, around like, you know, those really like sexy parts of the body. And then Dove spray, of course. By the way, I'm still drinking my Coke. It's almost out though. And then I'm going to try this cute little perfume. I got it from, I think, one on my birthday or something, because if it's your birthday, Sephora gives you like a fragrance. So I'm going to, I don't know why this one's not pumping out. Oh my, oh my. Okay, I will figure it out after the vlog, but it's written Nest. It's like a golden nectar sample perfume. I don't know, it's not spraying right now, it's actually not pumping. I put on my lip gloss, and then oh yeah, my face. So I actually discovered that I have a little irritation here. My skin broke somewhere here. So when I was bathing, I did well, before I bathed, I put on this. I was cleaning my face. I didn't put on makeup, but I just wanted to clean my face before I took a bath, before I went in with my gentle cleanser. And so because of that, I took my gentle cleanser and I left my other cleanser, which has exfoliants in it. So I'm just going to apply around and not necessarily on the spot, because it stings when I apply this. It stings because my skin is broken. Yeah, so just like a tip, if your skin is broken, just like either stay away from these serums, or just apply like around the spot, just to allow that skin to heal. It needs time to heal, basically. That's all it is. It's really not like a big deal. You will be fine. Just allow the spot to heal. I don't know how I got that irritation, what caused it, but yeah, I'm just gonna avoid the spot, and I'm gonna start wearing more sunscreen. I was looking at the weather, and it's going to be warm this coming week, and probably the following week, like the last week of March. So sunscreen top tier, but I'm trying to look for like a sunscreen moisturizer combination, so that I think that works better. I don't know, I don't like the sunscreen I have. It's good, but not good enough. Okay, this is the one that I can find that's not opened. It's from the brand Good Molecules. It's good, but I feel like I can find, I don't know, if I just feel like I can find a better one, because this one leaves a white cast, and then at the end of the day, like the product just clogs all over my skin, and it's not pretty, it's not cute, and I don't like it that way. So we will be looking into that in the summer. We'll go out in the spring, actually. We'll go out and we'll look for a spring, sorry, we'll look for like we'll look for a sunscreen moisturizer combination, and see if that can work better. And I know some skincare people that I can consult and get, like, you know, something that they would recommend, and then I try it, and then I'll let you know if it works or if it doesn't. So that is my evening look. Love it so much. Basically, this is my mom uniform when I'm at home, when I'm not working or doing any chores or anything, and I'm just looking cute and enjoying my life and living and spending time with my children. I'm just wearing, honestly, like this cute cozy, because I love to be warm, I love to be cozy, and I have a lot of neutrals. That's my new staple wardrobe. As I'm in my 30s, it's just like neutrals, but summer I do try and throw in a little color here and there. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a like, comment, share with your friends and family. And if you are new here, I hope that you are subscribed, and I will definitely see you guys in my next vlog. So yeah, you guys take care. See you in the next video. Bye.